We are our own potters, for our habits make us, and we make our habits. Frederick Langbridge. My friends, 10 to 15 minutes every day, make it your habit. How do you get to Carnegie Hall? Practice. How do you get riches in the stock market? I would urge you to practice. It doesn't cost you anything but the time to practice trade each and every day, every time you see a potential trade. Let's jump into these charts. Down day on everything today. Look at the S&P 500 down 0.73% for the day. You can see where the market has refused on this two-day chart over the last several two-day candles. We had one penetration there on the two-day candle representing Thursday and Friday of last week. As we get into this week, of course, we see the Monday, Tuesday, and of course the Wednesday. We have a strong down candle, 2 days of strong down movement on the half day, well below the trend line. But you notice that the candle on the weekly is still green. What does that mean? Well, we've seen green before, haven't we? And then popped back up again. So we're being patient, waiting, watching, seeing, letting the price lead us. Now, down 0.15% on the NASDAQ 100. As we have been talking about, it has been stronger as of late than the S&P. And you can see with this down day, or two down days on the half day, you can see that indeed we do see things pulling back some, but still well above the weekly trend line on the NASDAQ 100. So we're not going short yet. Good news is our short position in TLT, or actually TBF, which is the single inverse of TLT, that is going in the right direction. Down again, 0.47%. Check it out. Been going down several days. We can see where it's slowed down at the bottom here recently. But again, moving in the right direction. We're paying attention to where it's going and where it has been. Gold again down 2. You know, I can always tell when gold has reached its most recent peak because all the gold ads start about the minute gold has hit the top for a while. You know it because all the gold ads show up on TV. Don't know what that's about, but the minute I hear gold ads, I short gold. It seems to work every time. There is a little bit of a joke there, but hopefully you're in a put play on gold and have been here for a few days at least. Again, practice trading. We're not a stock calling service. We're darn sure not a gold or a Bitcoin calling service. I want you to practice trade with us to learn how it works. When you start getting good with that, fractionally trade. In fact, I'm going to put that at the end of today's video. Our video on fractional trading. What is that? Small dollar amount. When you think you're getting good, maybe put $100 in, a couple of shares of something. And then if you do lose 2, 3, 5, 10%, it's 10, 15 bucks out of your pocket. It's not thousands of dollars and you quickly going broke. So we see, of course, well below on the half day, well below on the 2 day as far as gold going down. Now, lastly, we will move to Bitcoin. And again, thankfully, it is pulling back as we have wanted it to. Why? Because we want Bitcoin to get back into the flow of something that looks more akin to the S&P 500 than a monkey throwing darts at a board, which is more what this looks like in the past. So want Bitcoin to start flowing, ebbing and flowing in directions that we can chart. So down for the day, 3.89%. I'm glad to see that. Not that I want Bitcoin to lose money. I want Bitcoin to be chartable. That is where we are, folks, as we end the day. On Wednesday, head into Thursday. Let's see, particularly with stocks, how they continue to move this week. We're glad to see gold and bonds go down along with Bitcoin because the charts are telling us they should be going that way. We like the charts to be readable and chartable. If you're not a Patreon member, we would sure appreciate your support. Easy to join. Follow one of the links in the show notes. Of course, the minute you sign up at any of the 3 levels, you will get our 3-part series, Options Made Simple, The Charting Wealth Way. And that is the way to start learning how to practice trade options. God bless, my friends. All the best from the whole team at Charting Wealth World Headquarters.